Hey Joe, welcome to an episode of How Does It Work? We're going to check out Mequires Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner here. This says active gel dissolves brake dust, acid-free, safe on all wheels. Changes colors as it cleans. Now, let's look back here at the directions, see what it's got to say. Spray a generous amount covering the entire wheel. Let the product dwell for 2 to 4 minutes. Do not let product dry on the surface. Spray off with a powerful stream of water. Dry wheels prevent water spotting. Agitation may be required for heavily soiled or neglected wheels. So what we have here is some new wheels that I'm going to be putting on my Jeep from another Jeep. And got them used, and as you can tell here, this is the back side. A lot of brake dust contamination built up on the inside of the back of the wheel. So let's go ahead and hose her down. I know, who worries about cleaning the inside of the wheel, right? Well, if you're really going to detail a car, and if you're doing a show, guess what? You should have the inside of your wheels clean as well as the outside. So we're doing this while we have the opportunity and the wheels are off the car without any tires. So, alright, I think that's a generous amount. And we are going to let it sit here and dwell, y'all. And let's see if we can get in here and, pardon me for the bumpy ride. Take you guys off the tripod, see if we can get you in there. Oh yeah, look at that. See how it's turning to purple? That means that it's working. So, got anything else in here? As y'all can see how much brake dust and gunk. Obviously probably on the front. These are probably on the front. Let's look up here. Cool. Alright. So, as we giving this a minute here, readjusting my tripod. Oh yeah, you can see it starting to bleed out some purple right there. And let's go ahead and see what happens down here. We just give it a little agitation. Alright, y'all didn't mess anything up while I was gone, did you? Alright, so strong spray of water. That's what we're going to do. Alright, well, ready? As strong as I got. Hey, look at all that purple. Now, I'm not expecting a miracle here, y'all. At all. Wash some of that out. And let's see. I probably should have let that dwell just a little bit longer, because I just did another wheel and it comes cleaner than this one. So you know what? We're going to move you guys in a little bit closer, and I am actually going to do that right here to this wheel real quick. Some stubborn spots. And let me agitate her up again. You guys seen how bad this wheel was. And if the outside of your wheels get this bad, you keep that in mind. we're doing this on the inside of the wheel. Most people aren't going to this trouble. You're just wanting the outside of the wheel to get clean. Alright, you see we got our, I'm actually going to go ahead and rotate this wheel around so we can make sure that we get it nice and agitated up there. We want to piss it off, get it agitated. Agitating me having to scrub so hard. Well, like I said, y'all don't really heart that this stuff ain't working too good on how I'm doing this. There again. Ugh. Yeah. As y'all can see the purple color. That's it working. And y'all can see, get an idea where we're at. I really need to let this sit in here for probably about 5 minutes. It says 2 to 4 on the packaging. Like I said, you guys get an idea. I'm going to clean my toothbrush off here. You guys can get an idea how well this stuff is actually working. You can only imagine, which we are going to imagine, because as soon as we get done with this, we're going to spin the wheel around. I know it's a whole lot of time. Long video on how well a wheel cleaner works. Y'all just want to know yes or no. Y'all don't want to see the whole action. Alright, let me back this up. Alright. Alright, I'm going to let some time lapse here and then we'll be back with y'all. Alright, y'all, went up and changed your perspective a little bit here. And only about 2 or 3 more minutes has went by. But we're going to go ahead and hose her out. I want a strong spray. There we go. And y'all remember what the wheel looked like? And here's where we're at now. It's not too bad. The only way I'm probably going to get that out of there is to actually kind of buff it out or something like that. Maybe a clay bar, maybe a light sanding actually. Same with probably in here, but I'm not going to worry about that too much. Alright, give me a second. We're going to flip around and do the face of the wheel. Alright, y'all, bear with it. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and hose the face of this wheel down. These wheels are actually in really good shape when I got them. They were dirty. Really hadn't cleaned this one yet. This one was, we're just going to do that. Now, I'm going to get inside here. The lug nut holes real good. Now, I probably really didn't need to agitate this around, but we are anyway. Yeah, if you guys have any other different types of cleaners or tips and tricks for cleaning wheels, or a different brand of cleaner or process, y'all guys let me know. Leave me a comment, because like I said, I just picked this stuff up, decided to give it a try because I had the Mequires ceramic wax spray. Oh man, I had such good luck with that stuff. I love it. See, we're not getting as much color change here as we did on the back side of that rim, which means this rim was in pretty good shape not a whole lot of medical particles. So, alright, so I'm going to pause this out, and I'm going to let some time go by, and we'll finish it up and rinse her off and see where we're at. Alright, so I don't know, y'all want to sit here and watch it? We can. Maybe I can do some kind of time lapse. So I'll check back with y'all in a few minutes. We'll give it about 3 minutes to dwell up now that we agitated it. Alright, y'all been sitting here about 2 minutes. And the instruction said about 2 to 4. So we're going to go ahead and hit her with a rinse. There's the front of the wheel. That's along where the tire went. And there's the inside of the wheel. As you can guys tell, the Mequires Ultimate Wheel Cleaner definitely works. Now I'm going to go ahead and do one more step while this wheel is wet. Y'all hang tight. Don't go nowhere. And now we're going to hit it with a coat of, this stuff is a miracle worker. This stuff is fabulous on your paint job on your cars, and it works well on wheels too. So we'll go ahead and, this stuff right here, Mequires ceramic, hybrid ceramic wax, while your item, your car or your wheel, whatever you're going to use it on, is wet. Off good from the stuff. Make sure the wheel cleaner's all rinsed off good. Okay. Now we soak this up. We just spray it on like this. That's good. That's more than enough. That was actually way too much. That would have been enough to do a hood and 2 quarter panels on the car, or 2 fenders. So, and we're just going to let that sit there for just a minute. Be sure not to let it dry. That's why we're under the carport. And we'll take a look at the directions while that is doing its thing. Phone going to focus? I don't think so. Anyway, so you wash your car and you rinse it thoroughly. You spray the ceramic wax all over the surface, starting in at the roof or whatever with a strong stream of water. Rinse the vehicle a second time. The hydropower of the rinse will spread the product, coating all of the exterior with our hybrid ceramic protection. Dry the vehicle with a quality microfiber drying towel like Mequires Water Magnet. For initial applications, skip step 4 and go directly to step 5. Dry and clean. Dry with a clean dry towel, and it will enhance the subsequent application. So like every time you wash your car, spray it off and apply this. Man, it's an incredible shine. So that should be good enough for that. And we go ahead and get a good rinse on this. And there you go. Look how clean and shiny that wheel is. All right there in just a few minutes. And of course, like I said, we did this backside that we're most likely not really going to do. But yeah, I'd say the Mequires Ultimate Tire Wheel Cleaner definitely works. And it's definitely worth fine. So there you go. We've seen it in the extreme worst case, and we've seen it in a typical application. So, alright, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.